Quran says Torah also had guidance. Fiha hudam wa nur. Injil also had contained guidance. Allah sent Torah, Allah sent Injil. Fiha hudam wa nur. These are the wordings which appear in Surah Al-Ma'idah. But this hudan, this guidance, has reached its zenith in Quran. Al-Huda, the guidance, the total guidance. Why? Because as we know, the process of intellectual evolution was still going on. Humanity at a time was in its childhood, was in its infancy. The thought process has not ripened, was not mature. At that time, 4,000 years or 3,500 years before this time, humanity was given some commandments, 10 commandments. Do this, don't do this. The philosophy, the hikmah, the wisdom, humanity was not mature enough to be taught that. As you know, when a child is studying in the primary class, 3rd, 4th, 5th sections, even if you have a PhD teacher, his knowledge is great, but he can't impart to this child all that knowledge that he has. He can give to the child, he can impart to the child only that much which is comprehensible, intelligible for him. Humanity was progressing, intellectually progressing, becoming mature and mature and mature, till such time. And people who have wrote books on the history of philosophy, they admitted that the human thought became ripe in 1200 years. Starting from 600 BC and 600 AD, this is the period in which the philosophical thought of humanity became ripe. All philosophies, all religions of the history of mankind, they appeared during these 1200 years. Buddhism, Shintoism, Confucianism, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, all the philosophers. Between 600 BC and 600 AD. And some people say, who have studied philosophy in depth, that after 600 AD, no new philosophy has come. These are the same old philosophies presented under new labels in new bottles and nothing else. So human philosophical thought ripened. And at that time, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent with the total and final guidance. Now you are mature enough. Take it. And this is for all times to come.